Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis. I think this is now my 3rd day in a row, but regardless, want to keep things updated here. And not a whole lot to update in the sense of, kind of what some of you are probably used to in terms of this thing breaking to new highs. But from a bigger picture perspective, while today wasn't exactly exciting, everything is still perfectly healthy. Because, yeah, like I said, I get it. Not the most exciting thing with the price going sideways. But you look at the last time the price went sideways, and not to insult your intelligence, but from where it's going sideways now to where it was, this is at a much higher area up here, and that's the name of the game. That's just showing that the consolidation areas are getting higher and higher, and that's the backbone of any sort of uptrend. So like I said, sure, today or the past couple of days, not super exciting, but taking a step back and looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the bulls are still doing a great job of consolidating, in the upwards direction. In fact, the level that I've talked about a couple of times in the past, which is this pink line right here, has been doing a great job of holding as support, including the final 30 minutes right there. You can see the price once again bounce from it. So if this level continues to hold, that would be a great sign of power. If that level doesn't hold, then not that far below it, I guess at this point in time, is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So those will be the two ideal levels of support going into tomorrow that you'd like to see the price hold up above. But as far as kind of where these levels of resistance are, and where kind of the thorn in the side of the bulls is, so let's change this to red for resistance real quick. So like I said, sellers and where are they hanging out at, that seems to be really right up here around the 53-cent mark, give or take a little bit. I realize the price did go up above there a couple of times, but there's also been a couple other instances where the price didn't quite hit that high. So just trying to find a common ground and middle ground, and we'll call it up there at 53. So 53 cents, definitely public enemy number one. But yeah, overall, the chart is still going through a healthy consolidation. It's building a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can maybe get a breakout tomorrow to close out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.